Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first of all, you have to select language. I'll stay with English, then you tap next. Next you can insert a SIM card, but if you don't have one, you can just skip the step and do it later. Next you have to accept mark this I have carefully read and agree to above terms, and then tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's weather service or disagree. That's your choice. Next you can connect to Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, or you don't have any Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip the step and connect to the Wi-Fi in any other moment. Next you can copy your data from your previous phone, but if you don't want to copy your data, or you just don't have previous phone, you can just set up as new. Next, Google services. If you want, you can leave them. If you don't want, you can disable them here, but in any case you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then data transfer. You can transfer data from your previous device as well here. Yes, set device as new. Next you can set your device protection. For example, you can set face unlock, or you can set password, but you can always set any device protection in settings later, so you can just skip this step for now, and your phone is ready. Get started. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.